Hello dear student, myself Ramanand Shukla from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Dear student, in this video we are going to read chapter 7 of your SST book. The topic is the polar region. Dear student, now we are going to start the reading of chapter. Dear student, as we move past the temperate zone and travel toward the poles, we enter the frigid zone. This region experiences the polar type climate. Most of the region is covered by permafrost, a permanent layer of snow and ice, but human beings have settled even in this inhospitable environment. Let us find out more about the lives of the people living in this region. Dear student, when we move toward when we move from temperate to polar region, then we entered in frigid region. This region experiences polar type climate. The mostly part of this region is covered by permanent layer of snow and ice. Dear student, but human beings have settled even in this inhospitable environment. Let us find out more about the lives of the people living here. Firstly, we are going to know about location of this region. Dear student, the polar type of climate is found between the Arctic Circle 66.5 degree north and the North Pole 90 degree north in the northern hemisphere, and between Antarctic Circle 66.5 degree south and the South Pole 90 degree south in the southern hemisphere. Dear student, here the location is clear. It is found between the latitudes 66.5 degree to 90 degree in both hemispheres. With the help of map, we can understand it easily the location of the polar region. Dear student, polar region जो है वो हमारे both poles पे पाया जाता है, नॉर्थ एंड साउथ पोल्स. Now we are going to know about the climate of this region. The polar climatic region has two subtypes, the ice cap type and the tundra type of climate. Dear student, climate of polar region is further divided into two types. They are the ice cap and tundra. Firstly, we are going to know about the ice cap type. It is freezing cold all years around. There are no months where the temperature is above 0 degree centigrade. Dear student, ice cap के नाम से ही clear है. It's covered by ice and there is no month in a year where the temperature is above 0 degree centigrade. This type of climate is found at the poles in Greenland and the entire continent of Antarctica. Due to the tilt in the Earth axis, the poles experiences 6 months of darkness in winter. During summer, there is 6 months of continuous rainfall. Dear student, due to the tiltation of Earth, that is 23.5 degree on its own axis, our both poles receive 6 months of day and 6 months of night. Dear student, in page number 51, sunlight at the poles, but as the sun rays are slanting, they are unable to warm the ground. Dear student, here sunlight reach, but there is no warmth. That's why the ground is totally freeze. Here the another point we are going to discuss, that is no more. In the tundra, in summer, the topmost layer of the permafrost melts, but this water cannot be absorbed as the ground below is still frozen solid. So the melted water collects on the surface, making the ground soggy and forming marshes and lakes. Dear student, in tundra region, in summers, topmost layer of the permafrost melt, mean to say upper layer of snow is melt, but this water cannot be absorbed by the lower layer, which is already frozen. So that's why the melted water collects on the surface and it makes ground soggy and forming marshes and lakes. Now we are going to know about the image that is given in page number 51. Dear student, in this image we can see the midnight sun. The midnight sun near the North Pole. The North and South Pole have 6 months each of sunlight and darkness. In summer, this gives rise to the phenomena of the midnight sun, where the sun shines even at night. Dear student, पोलर रीजन में जो हम पहले ही डिस्कस कर चुके हैं कि 6 month डे continuous and continuously 6 month night. Due to this reason, which pole experiences continuous 6 days, there is no rising and no setting of sun. वहाँ पे सन जो है न राइज होता है न सेट होता है, वो आसमान में रोटेट करता है. तो इसी जगहों पे मिडनाइट में भी सन को हम देख सकते. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू नो अबाउट टुंड्रा टाइप वेजिटेशन. Winters are very long and severs and summers are brief and cold. This type of climate is found along coastal Greenland, northern Canada and Alaska, the northern coastline of Eurasia. Places in this region have very long days in summer and just a few hours of sunlight in winter. Dear student, tundra type vegetation can be found in countries Greenland, northern Canada, Alaska, and the coastline of Europe and Asia, that is called Eurasia. Places in this region have very long days in summer and just a few hours of sunlight in winter. Mean to say, विंटर्स में यहाँ जो सनलाइट है वो कुछ ही घंटों के लिए आती है, लेकिन समर में जो है उनका डे जो है बहुत लॉन्ग है. नाउ डियर स्टूडेंट, वी आर गोइंग टू नो अबाउट प्लांट लाइफ. देयर इज नो प्लांट लाइफ इन द आइस कैप रीजन एज द ग्राउंड इज परमानेंटली फ्रोजन. सच परमानेंटली फ्रोजन सॉइल इज कॉल्ड परमाफ्रॉस्ट. डियर स्टूडेंट, आइस कैप रीजन में कोई भी वेजिटेशन नहीं होती है. इसका रीजन जो है वो ये है कि यहाँ परमानेंट फ्रोजन होता है, परमानेंट फ्रॉस्ट होता है. ये तो बर्फ में किसी भी वेजिटेशन का ग्रो करना पॉसिबल नहीं। द टुंड्रा रीजन टू हैज परमफ्रॉस्ट, however during the short summer the ice covering the upper part of the dear student, I am going to repeat the explanation of the reading of this paragraph. The tundra region too has permafrost. However, during the short summer, the ice covering the upper part of the land melts, allowing the growth of a few hardy plants like mosses, lichens, and sedges. Some small trees grow near the coast where the temperature is a little high. Dear student, in tundra region, it is too has permafrost, but in during short summer, ice covering the upper part, land melts, along the growth of few hardy plants like mosses, lichens, and sedges. In summers, here some plants grow. They were called mosses, lichens, and sedges. And some small trees also grow near coast, where the temperature is a little high. Now we are going to know about animal life. The reindeer, caribou, mossbox, polar deer, and the Arctic hare are some of the animals found in the Arctic region. Birds such as the little cock, puffin, and Arctic tern are also found here. Seal, penguins, and killer whales are found in Antarctica. To deal with the extreme cold, some animals have and birds migrate or move away to a warmer place in winter and return in summer. Dear student, due to extreme coldness, due to extreme cold of this region, the birds and animals of this region, they migrate and move away to a warmer place in winter and they return in summer in their origin place. The Arctic tern and caribou are examples. Some animals like the grizzly bear hibernate or sleep through the winter. Dear student, इसमें जो कैरिबू है वो एग्जाम्पल है कि ये माइग्रेट कर जाता है। आर्कटिक टर्न एक एनिमल है वो भी माइग्रेट कर जाता है, लेकिन जो ग्रिजली बियर है वो हाइबरनेट का मतलब है कि ये पूरी सर्दियों में शीत निद्रा में चला जाता है। हाइबरनेट का मतलब होता है शीत निद्रा, पूरी जो सर्दियों तक ये सोता है। और स्लीप थ्रू द विंटर। अदर एनिमल्स लाइक द पोलर बियर स्टे बट देयर बॉडीज आर एडाप्टेड टू द कोल्ड। लेकिन पोलर बियर यहाँ रुकता है क्योंकि इसकी बॉडी जो है इस कोल्ड को एडॉप्ट कर सके। दे हैव thick coats of fur and layers of fat to protect them। और इस ठंड से बचने के लिए उनके जो फर्स होते हैं वो बहुत बड़े बड़े होते हैं। इसके अलावा वैक्स मतलब इनकी जो स्किन होती है वो बहुत मोटी होती है, वो उन्हें कोल्ड से बचाती है। डियर स्टूडेंट, now we are going to read about human life. As a result of the extreme cold and harassed living conditions, this is one of the most thinly populated area in the world. Antarctica is in fact almost completely uninhabited in winter. Dear student, Antarctica is totally uninhabited in winter. There are no permanent settlements here. Only research stations during summer. A small group of scientists visit the land and conduct experiments. Only during summer, a small group of scientists visit here and they conduct their experiments. The polar region in the northern hemisphere was largely inhabited by nomadic group of people. Their main occupation were hunting, fishing and food gathering. In Eurasia, nomadic group of people like Lapp and the Yakut herded reindeers and trapped animals for their fur. Dear student, in Eurasia, mean to say part of Asia and Europe, nomadic groups of people like the Lapp and the Yakut herded reindeers and trapped animal for their fur. ये रेनडियर को ट्रैप करते हैं, इसके अलावा जानवरों से उनकी जो फर है जिसको वुलन कपड़ों में यूज किया जाता है, फर को कलेक्ट करते हैं. Dear student, in this video we read about the location of the polar region, climate of the polar region and the plant life of the polar region as well as human life of polar region also. Apart from that, other informations of this chapter we will discuss in our next video. So thanks for watching it.